It does look really good in white with the black interior and those gray wheels. A really nice look for the Hummer. We have some really nice details on the new GMC Hummer electric vehicle. The white version is out and you can find it now. It's the F-Case Hot Wheels Hot Truck Series. There's a side view, top view. Look at that black interior. Skateboard in the back. Really nice details on the front end. You can see the Hummer name there. Mirrors on the side. Left side driver. Check out the details up here. This looks so awesome back here. There's the exhaust. Let's spin them around. I think they did a great job on this Hummer. It looks really good. And he rolls really nice. Super fast. Copyright 2021, made in Malaysia. From the Hot Wheels F-Case, the new GMC Hummer electric vehicle from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. I love the graphics on the card, it looks awesome.